Let's learn how to avoid the product price being added, along with the add-on form price. Typically, the add-on prices are added, along with the product price. Now let's learn how to avoid product price from adding, along with add-on. To remove the product price being added, along with the add-on form, first, select the Form Settings button, then select the Pricing settings, and select the last option of the settings called Remove Product Price, even if add-on price is 0. And then click on Save Changes button. Now open the product page and see how the pricing summary works. You can see the product price is not being added to the total price calculation. That's it. Now it's your time to try out.